Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new neon flicker text effect using CapCut. Don't worry, it's super simple and I'll guide you step by step. So let's get started. First, import your video and add it to the timeline. Now go to the Text tab and add a default text. Adjust the duration so it matches the length of your video. Next, change the default font. I'm using the italic font, but you can choose any font you like. Now type your text. Increase the scale value to make the text bigger and more visible. After that, select the text and turn on glow. I'm choosing the second option because it's completely free. Now adjust the intensity and the range until you get a nice neon look. Once you're happy with it, convert the text into a compound clip. Then go to the Effects tab and search for the effect called Backdrop. When you find it, drag and drop it onto the compound clip. Now again, select the compound clip and convert it into another compound clip. Next, move the playhead forward a few seconds, just like I'm showing in the video. At this point, split the compound clip and delete the second part. Move the playhead again and place it about 1 second before the clip ends. Split the compound clip here. Now move forward just 1 frame and split again. Repeat the same step until you have a total of 11 cuts. After that, select every second cut and delete them. This will create the flicker effect. And that's it. Your neon flicker text effect is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.